Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a fall cook and clean with me. And today's video is actually in collaboration with my friend here on YouTube, Lauren Meadley. I love Lauren. She is so sweet and kind and I know you guys will love her as well. She has a beautiful home. She recently just moved back to North Carolina with her husband and her adorable son, William. So definitely make sure and check her out in my description box down below. She does cooking, cleaning, decor videos. She does it all. I love her channel. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making some Mississippi pot roast in this cook and clean with me. This is my go-to fall recipe. I love Mississippi pot roast. So I'm just starting with a chuck roast that I threw in the crock pot, some au jus seasoning, a pack of ranch dressing, and then you will need 2 sticks of butter, you're stuck inside my head, and you will need some whole pepperoncinis. This recipe is so easy. You just put all this in a crock pot, throw it all in, and you cook it on low for 8 hours. And it is so tender, it falls right off the bone. It is so good, and your house will smell amazing. Like I said, this is my go-to fall recipe. This is what we eat a lot for dinner during the fall. If we're not eating chicken and dumplings, it's usually this. So after I'm done throwing that on the crock pot, I'm gonna start cleaning up a little bit around my kitchen. I'm just gonna load the dishes, clean my sink, and get everything all tidied up. I want you. I want you. And here I'm just getting a bowl of hot water and I'm going to put this in my microwave for about a minute, and this is just going to loosen up all the gunk that you have in your microwave. This is a really good way to clean it if you haven't cleaned it in a while, like I have, real life y'all. So I just throw that in there for a minute. It'll loosen everything up and then everything will just super easily wipe off.
But if I focus on my mindset, I know it's gonna be alright. This is just how life is. It's going round in circles. 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 I'm standing by the lake where we always used to hide. Now I'm running from myself, got a feeling that my hands
This is one of my favorite fall candles, y'all. You need to go pick it up. It's White Pumpkin by Sensational. It smells so good. It's only $6.99 at Marshall's. Once I'm done in the kitchen, I'm gonna go ahead and head into the living room and start dusting and cleaning up in there as well.
Focus on my mindset. Maybe it will be alright. This is just how life is. It's going around in circles. On my mindset, maybe this will be alright. This is just how life is. It's going around in circles. I said it's going around in circles, circles. It's going around in circles.
Stay a little bit longer. I'm sorry, didn't mean to, but I heard you cannot undo it. So please stay. I know that we've been fighting, but can't we just hold up? Maybe stay up, try to make things right. I don't know why I did what I did. Somehow I think that I lost my head. Don't know why. Don't know why. I have realized when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see, that we'll be alright if you just let me show you that I can do better. And I apologize for everything. I know that I can be defensive. Say that it ain't on me. Why can't you see it ain't easy? Ooh, but now.
After I'm all done vacuuming, Dee's bathroom was in desperate need of being cleaned. This is the first time I got around to it this week, so I'm gonna start in and giving this a really good clean.
I don't know why I did what I did. Somehow I think that I lost my head. Don't know why. No, don't know why. I have realized when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see, that we'll be alright if you just let me show you
about 6 to 8 hours later, this is what the Mississippi pot roast looks like. It literally just falls off the bone. It shreds so easy, y'all. This is so good. You can just make some mashed potatoes and throw it over that and serve it up to your family, and they will love it. My husband loves this. Even my daughter eats it. So definitely give this a try and let me know what you guys think. Other than that, that's it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you did, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below. I definitely tried to do some relaxing music to switch it up this time, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. And make sure to check out Lauren's channel down below. I wasn't kidding when I told you guys I love her. She is so sweet. That's everything for today, guys. I hope you have a great weekend. Bye.
Sun would rise and see the clouds pass by. I didn't want to say goodbye to you, but you're gone.